Hello again. In this video, I'm going to show how to use NewGene to select individual units rather than having to use all the units in a particular DMU. So to do this, one wants to begin with UGene open. And what you can see here is I already have certain options selected. So what I've done is under the sync scores, I've selected country code, year, and for this data set, I'm going to have the iron. I want to create a simple data set of iron and steel data. You see that I have for years 1900 to 1920. And then up here, I have country code columns. I simply have one. So what this is going to do is simply create a monadic country year data set with iron and steel production from 1900 to 1920. But let's say that I do not want to have a data set of all the countries in the system. Instead, let's say that, for example, I want to have a data set with just the United States. Well, in that case, I go down to this tab here, titled Limit DMUs. If I click on that tab, you see up here I have different options, alliances, bond index, and country code here. If I click on the country code and then I make sure that this button here is selected, then it will allow me to actually select countries that I can include then in my list of DMUs that will actually appear. So we can see is that right now I have the United States chosen. Now let's say that in addition to the United States, we would also like to have, say, Australia included. Or actually in this case, let's do Austria. So what I'll do is I will select Austria over here. Then I'll come over to this button, click on it, and now I have both Austria and the United States. Once I have those, I can come over here to prepare run. And now I can choose the data set I want to use. So we're going to select choose location. We're going to use, in this case here, we'll use a data set called country USA and Austria. Save. We'll make sure that it's a CSV file. And then click on generate output. You can see that it's going through the run, creating the data set, and now it's done. Once it's done that, we can then actually go to the desktop, and one can see that right here is the actual CSV file. If we click on that, it opens up the CSV file, and you can see that it's produced for us a CSV file with, for the United States, 1900 iron steel production, United States 1901 iron steel production, and then it turns out for this data set that Austria only appeared in the year 1919 with its iron and steel production. So again, this is a useful feature for scholars who do not want to have, say, all the countries or all of the leaders or all of whatever the particular DMU that you are using. This is a nice feature that allows you to limit the DMU to just particular units. Thank you.